Power target trades, power trigger trade. Power trigger trade, Sandro here, the big picture expert. I'm here to talk about the SPY and the big picture of things. First of all, I want to explain that the SPY is setting up to test 300 to 308 this year. You heard that correctly, people. But in the meantime, we have to take that the market cannot just go straight up, and we have a very strong uptrend still intact. There's a lot of key reasons. I'm not going to get into them, but take it from the big picture expert. Since February 11, 2016, I've called this market correct against all odds. And I'm now telling you this market is going to go higher. Of course, there's going to be a process. There's going to be a lot of thinking and positioning yourself in the correct stocks at the correct time. Just like we had this big drop here, we had some small losses, but made big gains on this pop. We have people, especially in Amazon here. See? In Amazon, when the SPY was doing this, we made some great gains in Amazon. Greater than 100% gains on large priced options. Much more skillful than a lot of people who thought they caught the drop on the SPY, but said it was they used the term, it was very risky. That doesn't sound someone who's assuring of themselves. Power trigger trade, I'm assuring you, power trigger trade, the big picture expert, when I calculate all the factors in the market, we got to look at statistical measurement, people. Statistical measurement. So we're going to talk about some key levels and some key thought processes here. Inside the video, I will explain the big picture and what 256 to 254 mean. All right, now let's talk about those key pivot points. The strength, in other words, if we see strong action popping off at 256, that's good. If they happen to test below that, the next point is, how do we act towards 254? Do we bounce at 255? The market, I am looking for the correct pivots of the SPY and then going in to catch the pop, because I guarantee you we're going to try to pop. Right? We got a nice 1,000-point pop coming our way. Some of the right stocks will squeeze higher than others, and Power Trigger Trade will be focusing on stocks that are ready to pop and make our money big time on the pop. All right, now, so basically what I'm trying to say is this number here, 256 to 254, means something. These are pivotal points. Again, I will explain my proven. Listen, I said that about the proven history. Since February 11, 2016, I have made more winning SPY plans. In fact, there were many people bearish the SPY right when we were right in January, right over here. It was too high, the SPY, according to someone I call the stock clown. It was too high, right? Just like he said, it was too high at 225. That it was what did he call that? He called the SPY a bubble at 225 that he wouldn't go long. Meanwhile, the SPY, you know the story, people, where the SPY is gone. You can see it. I mean, I have to, these charts I have to go. This is a still shot here. The big picture expert was correct then, and I've been correct multiple times. In fact, I was long all of January. We were making great gains in January. We got caught a bit into this, but made great gains on the pops. Okay, big picture thinking is that this market is setting up for higher prices. You can hear a lot of people saying bearish things. Those guys are little pop traders, no skill. You want to listen to billionaire-minded people like yourself, Power Trigger Trade. You don't want to bet against America. America is definitely on a massive change. And anybody thinks that the market is just going to simply go down right now based on what was happening right now is out to lunch and doesn't know anything. People, you've got two sides of the American. You got the bad, you got the evil American, and you got the good American. And I talk about the good American, the smart American people that make positive changes to the world. Like companies like Google, Apple, Microsoft. Who do you think influences the world? These three leading companies of massive change. You think that the process of what they're trying to do for creating business and America first, all this means that the market is just going to come collapsing down? That the market hasn't been setting up for the past decades for higher prices. So I'm just giving you one of my thoughts, but right now we're going to listen to the market, and the market in no way tells me that we're going to go a lot lower. We first got to see how we bounce these key levels. And they're key proven points that I know of through statistical measurement that means something to me. And you haven't heard anybody say things like that to you, but I have this video documenting this now. There were multiple pivotal points. We happened to crash through the other key level, and therefore the pattern needs to develop a little larger. But in the big picture of things, this market can swing up and down, but we are developing for higher prices. And inside of Power Group Trades, I'm going to having winning plans to capture this, and we will be prepared mentally for these higher prices while everybody is looking to short the market and not catch the big gains. Power Trigger Trade, the big picture expert, will be catching the gains both up and down. You heard that right, people? All right, now let me show you something important here. All right, people, welcome to Power Trigger Trade. You know, as I said, this is my stream where I post stuff. You know, nobody in this history has created a YouTube channel. I want to talk about that too, people. But you see here, if you want to become a group member in Power Group Trades, it's very simple. But you do got to show me that you are a serious and success of the market, and you want to be led by the big picture expert, yours truly, Power Trigger Trade Sandro. Let me show you something, people. So here we are at Power Target Trades, and let me show you something, people. Let me show you something, people. Okay, I got a created playlist here. I always tell people and suggest you to take a look at my created playlist. You're going to see documented plans from start to end. I have proof of the SPY. In fact, let me show you, for people who want to know who I am, the big picture expert, let me show you some facts. We're going to go to my website now. I'm going to click right here, the website link. I want to show you something, people. I want to show you. Look at this. Where do you see a power? Right now it's a little bit cut off here, but you have to go to the website to really see it. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful, people? Look at that. Now, why am I showing you this? I want to show you so. See this video here? This is the truth. If you want to know the truth of what I developed. Now, I filmed, that was, first of all, this is filmed, what I did, basically taking a snapshot of time when I posted a plan where there was two professionals, we'll say, two persons trading, one called the world record holder, calling for a market drop on February 11, 2016, and yours truly, Power Trigger Trade, where they're calling the market bottom based on the plan. I want you to think about that. World record holder, wrong completely. I want you to understand that, what I'm saying. I'm trying to wake people up and smell the coffee. And go take a look at it. Go see anybody doing this. And even him, if he wants to come and debate me on this, I told you, people, he will not want to debate me. He knows he's wrong by what he said. He'll lose, completely lose. So let's not get into that. I don't want to get angry, but listen, people. There's a lot of bad information. There's a lot of people who don't even deserve to post information on the stock Twitter and stock twits. All right, now, people. We're going to see Power Trigger Trade lead the market higher. We're going to see who's correct. All right, people, welcome to Power Trigger Trades. I suggest you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Listen to me, people. You're never going to see anything like this before. Nobody does what I do. Nobody. Detailed plans. Look at this. Check out this large Amazon plan. Look, I got to put these in my creative, but check these things out. Do yourself a favor. Look for yourself. This is a difficult stock. I walked this stock from start to end. It went we took options from that were $2,000 a piece. Never mind these little rinky-dinky 68 cents options are people who have no, what's the word? They're just taking little shot. They're not sure of themselves. Power Trigger Trade, I was sure of myself with Amazon. And we turned options from $2,000 to $6,000. Power Trigger Trade. Whatever we lose, we gain triple. Remember those words. And it's a strategy. You want to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Now, if you have a YouTube account, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. Okay? Right inside this video, I'm going to show you. But if you don't have one, get one. Come here and subscribe manually. Let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade Sandro here, the big picture expert. You want to study my created playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link. And don't forget, there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.